Hey guys, Matt with Kloud9. We're back again. We're out here this time at Pensacola Beach, right on the water, located off Ensenada Uno Drive. Today we're going to do a walkthrough and we're going to show you the framing stages of this beautiful home that we're building. It's kind of a mix between a new construction house adding on to an existing. The new construction portion we're building is a little over 3,700 square foot. So when we're all done, these wonderful clients of ours are going to have a little over 5,000 square foot of livable space. Let's go do a walkthrough and check it out. So we're down here in the lower level, also known as the garage. And just a real brief walkthrough of what we're gonna do here, that way you guys see when we're finished. Right here, facing towards the water, we're gonna have some all glass garage doors. That way you'll be able to see a beautiful view when you're down here doing whatever you need to do in the garage. Still in the framing process, finishing up, but we're adding some stairwells to actually go up to the first level living space. We also are framing in an elevator, so we're gonna have elevator access in this residence as well. When you continue to walk through, notice that a lot of pylon houses will either keep it open or they choose to close on the walls to make it a little bit more of a private space, and that's what we chose to do here. Walking in towards the front, we added 2 more garage doors in the front that's gonna be facing towards the road. Nothing really crazy about that, just, you know, beautiful garage doors. So we're on the first level now. We're actually out here on the balcony, which you can see clearly has a beautiful overview of the water. Just a little bit about this balcony. We're gonna be doing some tiling and some beautiful handrails. We're also gonna be doing some hardy on the ceiling of this balcony. And then if you look over here to where we're gonna be doing this awesome special fabricated spiral staircase that's gonna be leading up to the second floor balcony, which we'll get to shortly. Walking in off the balcony, you'll notice this huge opening here. And this opening is actually gonna be a 20-foot wide sliding glass door that's gonna have an opening from the center. It's gonna be gorgeous in terms of being able to view the bay from the actual inside of the living room. Over here is just simple our elevator access and of course the access to walk downstairs. All this area is gonna be kitchen area. And then we have a hidden pantry that's gonna be in here. You walk in the hidden pantry and we're gonna be having tons of cabinets and just storage for food. And of course we have this closet set aside for our new HVAC system. This is where we tied into the existing house. So we blew this whole wall out and created a bigger opening. This is gonna be also known as their office. So we're actually gonna be converting this fireplace into a ventless gas fireplace for them. And this is gonna be a beautiful office space. That is a bathroom right there. And then over here is actually gonna be converted into their entertainment / game room as they call it. We're gonna have a wet bar over here, bigger windows. And of course, you know, once we're finished, it's just gonna be absolutely gorgeous. So we are on the second level balcony now. You see, they're really not much different from the first one, except this one, we're gonna be doing some beautiful tongue and groove ceilings up here. All of our posts are not gonna be capped in wood this time, but they are gonna be hardy. So it's gonna tie in real nicely with the siding that we're doing on the house. Still gonna do tile floors on this balcony. And this is over here is where our spiral staircase is going to lead from the first floor balcony, and it's gonna come all the way up so they can access 2 balconies without having to go inside the house. This entrance right here is gonna lead into the hallway. It's also right here, we have our elevator access. Then here is the access into the master bedroom. We wanted to create a spacious master bedroom with a lot of glass and windows, that way they can be able to enjoy the view. So we went with a 6-foot wide double French door and plenty of windows. That way when they set their bed up and they wake up or go to bed, they can see the water. Leading into here, we have the hallway that leads into our master bathroom area. We have 2 closets, a his and her. Here in the master bathroom, we're gonna have a his and her vanity. We have a separate water closet here. And this is gonna be the shower area. Shower area is gonna be having a tub and then obviously a shower on this side. The lighting that we're gonna choose for this area is actually gonna be not your traditional recessed lighting, but we're gonna be doing more of a long, slender, sleek lighting that's going to illuminate the area really nicely. So back in the hallway, we're gonna be walking around the corner. This is gonna be kind of like a little laundry room area. So we're gonna have a washer and dryer recessed underneath the stairwell here, leading into a secondary bedroom. This bedroom is also gonna have its own bathroom. We got obviously windows, and then we're gonna have a big shower, a toilet vanity, and then a separate closet dedicated for this area here. All right, so we're back in the hallway once more, but this time we're gonna lead up to the 3rd floor, also known as the attic space. It was a little bit questionable at first because we really did not want to block this area off. We wanted to illuminate it as much and bring us some natural light. So we changed this to have it really nice and open so that the light from the stairwell bleeds in and you have some nice natural light. We are now on the 3rd floor. This is also known as the attic space. And here's gonna be our HVAC closet. We are going to finish this area up here so that it can be utilized for storage or even like a little hangout spot. But if you notice in this area, we created some windows so that you can also enjoy the views of the bay. Well, that's it for today. We appreciate you guys spending time with us and doing a walkthrough on the framing stage. We can't wait to show you guys what the finishing touches are once we have pavers and siding and everything in it. So we'll see you guys soon.